Okay, so welcome back to my end. Today we are going to draw a cartoon cat again for the second time. Also, subscribed yet, I suggest you subscribe for sometimes new content, and also you will get notified immediately. I noticed you didn't subscribe yet. Kidding, seriously, subscribe. Into drawing a cartoon cat, number 2. Okay, we start off with two socks and a smaller nose. Then we draw a kind of like semi-oval, and then some whiskers. Then we draw salt ears. If you watched my other video, you'd know why. It's not pretty if you make the ears wrong. So then you draw 2 circles. And then you slightly go lighter. So, all fits in. Like this. Then you draw 2 rectangles inside those, and you draw a rectangle, 4 circles, and then something like this. Then you draw the circle, or a circle, sorry, and then you draw a tail. And that is how you draw a cartoon cat. So, see you later. Comment down below on what you'd like me to draw next, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's. So, yeah. Right. Dang it, I don't know how to close a button. Okay. See ya.